Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fry pan handle, only way. Begin by choosing a sturdy metal rod or hardwood dowel, then measure the pan and mark attachment points carefully. Cut, file, and shape the handle profile for comfort, then drill or punch holes to match the pan. Secure the handle with rivets or high-temperature epoxy, smooth edges, and apply a heat-resistant finish for safe, lasting use. Gather materials and plan the build before you start to save time and avoid mistakes. Pick a core material like stainless steel or oiled hardwood and select fasteners that match the pan base. Bring clamps, drill bits, rivets, files, and sandpaper for shaping and fitting. Always use high-temperature epoxy or solid rivets for secure attachment, then finish with a heat-resistant coating to protect the handle and your hands. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. I noticed the socks in the footage and thought of comfort while soldering, so socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, seen here. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a pair if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Start by measuring the pan and marking the handle blank precisely to match hole spacing. Cut and shape the handle, focusing on a comfortable grip and secure mounting surface. Test fit repeatedly, adjusting the fit with files and sandpaper until alignment is perfect. Fasten the handle using rivets or high-temp epoxy, trim any excess fastener, sand smooth, and apply a heat-resistant finish for safety and durability before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.